Hello, if you was wondering what stateroom 1214 looks like, we booked this as an interior cabin. And to my surprise, as you enter the room, this is what the interior room looks like. This is all the way forward in the front of the ship. This interior room is the size if you had a balcony or outside cabin, which would be a window cabin. And to my surprise, look at that. It has a sofa. It has the 2 portholes where we will still be able to see outside. So I was expecting to turn on the TV and use that as my window so I would know what time of day it is. But I was also surprised we were gifted with a set of 2 champagne flutes, a bottle of sparkling cider. Here are our waters that we ordered. And then also here, look at this. We got decorations. Life is better at sea. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. They decorated the room. Look at that. And we both received lanyards to put our sailing sign cards on. Look at that. We have a Bon Voyage. Look like a sticker. We have more decorations. All aboard Bon Voyage. And this looks like the Bon Voyage gift set. Look at that. And look. The portholes. There's not no inside cabin. We get to see. So just letting y'all know, 1214. Look at that. And let me give y'all a view from this. And then also too, we have the curtains here where we can pull across if we want to be dark. This looks like it's an adjoining room, so just keep that in mind for 1214. Here is our bed. As a couple, we have set up as a king size. It has a table on this side and a lamp. We have storage space here. As you can see, you can open up your cabinet if you want to put something in there. And then you come around here, you have the TV. Here people can purchase one for $4.50. Remote. You have a stool. Let me show you. You can stool sit here. Hair dryer. And in this cabinet, you have your refrigerator, or as they call it, you can put your wine, water, whatever. Your phone, room service. You have several shelves. Your mirror. Then you have your closets, and this is where you have your safe here. You have several shelves. 2 drawers in here. You have another closet here where you can hang your stuff. And then in here, they're still cleaning the room, but here's your shower, your standard shelves, and your bathroom. There you go, you guys. This is 1214 on the Carnival Horizon.